with another attempt of nerve bath.
No, that's actually bloodbath. Okay, don't trust them, okay? It's actually bloodbath. I mean, he's doing bloodbath. Yes, but did you see it? He's doing bloodbath.
No.
Yeah, he died in another attempt. Since bloodbath is so hard, he can't do the single jump. He can do the single jump, and he's defeating it. Like for real. Boom bap, boom bap, boom bap. Can you see the timer on top of him? On top of his character. See? Whoa, that's actually nerf bat. Okay, don't call it bloodbath. Okay. He'll take a face reveal if he die.
Wait. Okay, that's a deal. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, it's face reveal time. And now you have to do your boss reveal, okay?
No, that's bad, Lucas. I'm gonna tell it to mommy.
How about your plushies reveal?
Oh yeah, that's good.
If you die. Yeah, actually died. Okay. Imagine many. Yeah, and I'm almost done with it. So here's your plushie reveal. Wow. Wow. And this is his bone reveal.
Here.
Yo, bro, can you take this tablet and can I try?
No.
This better than I'm doing it, okay? Yo, I'm doing it! Yo.
I'll try to. No, I died. I'm trying to look at your screen. Wait, no. No, don't do practice mode. I thought I hit that orb. Did I hit that orb?
No.
Gosh.
Wait, can you do that thing where it's like you're like out of space when you drop down? You have to it's a base. Can you do that? Yeah, this is kind of easy. Okay, don't mind me.
How did I die? I died to nothing.
Yeah, don't mind.
Wait, I'm gonna actually try a demon level.
Yo, can you copy paste it?
No.
Can you copy paste it and make it harder?
No, I won't.
But why?
Wait lang. How about the lightning road?
Ooh. I died in the first attempt. This is 5 minutes long.
The video will be long, guys.
Yeah, it's gonna be 1 hour.
I'm gonna make a spikeless level, so that means there's a level with no spikes.
Wait, you already did that, right?
Spikeless.
Well,
V2.
oh, version 2.
Okay, we need like a 2 times speed. We need a cool song. Pong ting ting tang. Tang ting ting tung.
Kuya, can you do nightmare? Kuya, can you scroll up? Can you do
I want this one. Let's do like a red background.
Since it's version 2.
So we have to like jump over something. Let's say like a structure here, like this.
Hey, Kuya. Hey, Kuya. Hey,
Okay,
Kuya.
what if we have to like jump on this or
Kuya,
else?
let's hide the video. Can you?
Oh, Lucas, the iPad's hurting me.
What happened when you fall to that, bro?
That means I can't jump up. Look, I can't jump up.
To make it more easier, Kuya, make it more harder. Well, actual. I'm gonna make it 7. Okay.
Gotta add like a timing here, maybe. Like
Yeah.
a timing. Then add like a.